let's put this value in the graph, not the graph, no, in the this CSV data file, but df dot status equals to, and here the list increase comma decrease, and here we will pass the values c comma o, oops, open comma c. Okay. Put a comma here, then we will pass a for loop for c o comma c in zip df dot open comma df dot close. What we have done in this here, we have taken this function, here you can see we have taken this function, and here we have passed the for loop for iterating through these values if the in this open and close attributes. Okay, now if I print the data frame, okay, we got an error. Yep, I don't have to put this comma here. Here you can see still an error. Okay, I have forgot to run this file. If I run this and again print this data frame, I will get the status equals to none. Okay, why I'm getting none here? What a foolishness. I forgot to return the value. Return value. Here you can see we got the data here. Decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. Okay. Now guys, if I open the chart here, here you can see we have a candle and they are placed in this graph here somewhere here. Okay, so how can we specify the place for this graph, sorry, for the place for these candles? So for that we have to add this closing and open price and get the average of these values. Okay, after doing that we will get the middle value of the chart where the price should come, and here we will put the candle, and after that we will assign the height for this candle. Okay, so let me show you how we will do that. Let's create another value first. Let's name it middle equals to, and the middle is data frame dot open plus data frame dot close and divide it by 2. And if I print the data frame, I will get the average value here, you can see. And after that guys, let's create the height of the candle. Let's name it height equals to, and the height can be the open value minus the close value. If you do that, we will get the height of the candle, but if the closing price is high, we will get the negative height, and it's not possible. And for that we need the absolute value, and for that the Python have the inbuilt method called abs. Now if you do database.open minus database.close, if I run it, I'll get the height here. Here you can see. Now guys, it's time to create this chart. So for that, let's create a variable p equals to, just remove it. Now p equals to, if you have watched the bouquet tutorial of the playlist Python to AIML and DataScience, you can draw it yourself also, but let me show you. figure, and here first we have to specify the x-axis, and here you can see the x-axis is the date and time. Let it be the x-axis type equals to, and its date time. Then we have to specify the width of the graph. Width equals to 1000, not 19, it's 1000. Then specify the height, HEIGST equals to, let it be 500. Then we have to specify the sizing mode. What this sizing mode means, if I minimize this window, if I change the size of this window, oops, where it has gone, here, like this, my chart will also get smaller and it will adjust according to this. Okay, so we want that. So for that, what you have to do is sizing mode equals to scale underscore width. Okay, scale width. After that, guys, we have to give the title to the chart, title dot text equals to, let it be the apples stock. What I am doing, it's not Apple stock, it's Google stock. Google's stock. Okay, now we have to remove the grid lines from the chart. What is grid lines? So here you can see, if you zoom in the graph, you will see some small lines. So we want to remove that. So okay guys, no, these are not a grid line. Why I'm confusing you? Grid lines are these lines. Okay, you can see there are some lines here. So we want to make it lighter. So for that, what we can do is p dot grid dot grid underscore line underscore alpha equals to, you can do it 0, but I prefer to do it 0.3. Okay, then let's create a segment, p dot segment, and let it be the index, df dot index, the index value for this data frame, and df dot high price, and we are plotting this graph in this segment. Okay, here you can see we are giving values for this graph. Here you can see this value, this value, this value, this value. Okay, so first is index, then the high value. After that, give the low value, and we have to specify the color, color equals to red. Okay, then